Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your headphones Nothing Ears. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now click on your headphones and it should help you. But if it doesn't, just put your headphones to the charging case. If they not in the charging case, then close the charging case. Now we should see not connected here, and after that open the charging case, so they reconnecting to the phone. Cool, but if it also didn't help you, just close the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, then forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and after that open the charging case, and then press the connection button for at least 3 seconds to enter pairing mode. Now it should start blinking white, so it means that it's entering to pairing mode. Now click on it at the device list, and we did it. But if it also didn't help you, we should make a hard reset. To make a hard reset, just press and hold connection button for at least 10 seconds until this LED light it starts flashing red 3 times. One, two, three. Now close the charging case, click the information icon or settings icon, then forget the device, forget device. If you have Android also, click pair new device and then open the charging case and press and hold connection button for at least 3 seconds. Now click on it at the device list, and we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!